I didn't want to take up too much of your time. We get ready to head out. But we had Trista here. She brought her truck, y'all. I want you to show that they brought their truck. So they're going to be in the procession, okay? KLLM showed up. CRST showed up. Road Runner showed up, okay? So we're getting ready to follow them to the but give me 1 second, y'all. I'm riding with Trista. Drivers there putting ribbons on their truck. KLLM. Hold on. KLLM is here representing. Say hello.
How you doing?
What are y'all? The drivers are putting the ribbons on their trucks on the left and the right.
Yeah, we got it.
On left and right. This is
Peterson Trucking.
from Peterson Trucking. Okay. So y'all gonna follow behind?
Yeah.
Okay. They're gonna follow, and y'all know Trista. Trista was at KLLM too as well. Okay. So she showed up in support as well. All right. But they're gonna let y'all follow right behind.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So that's what we're
waiting on them to pull out, and then we'll be out.
Okay. So that's what's going on right now, y'all. They brought their trucks. Peterson Trucking, KLLM, okay, showed up, and then we have Trista. She was a driver at KLLM, and now is an owner operator. Okay, so the services are over, and the family's in the car, and we're just getting ready to head out, y'all. So I just wanted to come and show you the drivers that came and supported. They're going to be right behind as soon as they pull up, okay? They're going to be right behind. So KLLM has the purple. KLLM has the purple and yellow ribbons. They're going to be having these on their trucks until the 28th, all right? So they have their purple and yellow ribbons to represent. And Peterson Trucking has the pink ribbons as well, okay? So we're getting ready to leave out. And then you got Trisha up here. She has her purple and yellow ribbon up here. So her truck will be leading out. I'm going to be riding with Trista. I will be riding with her. And then you have these other two trucks here as well. And we're going to follow after the family, okay? So I just wanted to come and show y'all that the services are now over, and we're going to be headed out, okay? So, but standing room only, y'all, standing room only. So, but I'm just so appreciative. When I saw them trucks out here and I came out, I was just like, oh man, that is just amazing, okay? So, but yeah, we got to go, y'all. I'm gonna get in there. But we get ready to go, okay? Other than that, that's it, y'all. Let me see. Huh? Yeah, you need to get your CDL. Oh, you gotta be 21. I wonder if I should drive, or she could bring me back to the truck, to the car. But yeah, I just wanted to show you the truck. So the trucks will be going after the cars leave, after the family comes out. So they're just organizing everything to get everybody lined up to make sure that everybody is good to go. And but yeah, other than that, y'all, I'm getting ready to go because they're getting ready to go. The cars are pulling off. And I'm getting ready to go. I will talk to y'all later. Peace, love, joy, happiness. Y'all have a wonderful, blessed day. fam, the drivers are gonna, as soon as they start lowering the body into the ground, the drivers are gonna blow their horns, okay? They're gonna sound their air horns, all right? So as soon as they, we have a lady up there that's gonna give us a signal of when they lower her in the ground, and then once they do that, the drivers will blow their air horns. Okay, he's going to give a signal, y'all. He's going to give a signal when they start to lower her into the ground for the drivers to blow their air horns, all right? So they're just going to start, and once they do that, the family is over there, and they are going to give us a signal on when they lower Karmeshia into the ground. So the drivers will all show respect and blow their air horns, okay? So it may just be a moment. So at this time, if y'all are on the road, if y'all are driving, if y'all are parked or park, if you can pull over, we would love for you to do this and participate with us all at the same time. There they go, y'all. All right, she has been laid to rest. So we have Trista. Don't forget to have your ribbons on your truck. Okay, we're doing this until the 28th. We have KLLM Tyson driver here, and we have Peterson Trucking from Memphis, Tennessee. All right, so that concludes the services for today. That concludes the services for today, you all. And thank you so much for tuning in. Again, the family, thank you for the flowers, for everything that you have done. And that's it. So in a few minutes, I'll cut the video off while the family returns to their truck, to their vehicles, okay?